Hello friends, welcome to the Paperwrld channel. Today we're going to make envelopes of various sizes using this tool. If you're ready, let's get started. First, I want to tell you about this tool. You can use it in two different ways. One for making boxes and the other for making envelopes. There are instructions on the tool on how to use it. You can also easily select the measurements you'll use here. There are measurements on here depending on the size of the envelope you want to make. The measurements mentioned here are actually the ones here. The two different uses I talked about are also included here. You can also use this button as a cutter. This tool also comes out of the box. I'll show you shortly how to use this tool. If you wish, you can cut your paper using the measurements here. I mostly use the measurements in these parts. I'm going to show you the 4 pieces of paper I prepared beforehand. I'm going to use 4 different sizes. The first one is the largest, the other one is a bit smaller. We can call the small one medium-sized, and the smallest one, if you've noticed, I tried to match the sizes. Now we can start making our envelopes. I want to start with the largest. I try to match the papers to the measurements on the end. When I'm sure of this part, I press the button. I can use the tool I told you about now. I use it by continuing the line up. I go over it a few times to make sure there are no mistakes. Then I turn my paper. The trick here is that it continues the line here. I adjust it to be right on top of it, and from here I press the button again. I apply the line to the other side. We do this on all 4 sides of the paper. I line it up again and I press the button again, and I go over the line again, press the button again, and go over the line again. This is what it should look like when you get it on paper. Now we can start folding. This part is easy peasy because the folding track is obvious. When I close it, I'll glue the spots where this part will line up, and finally, I'll close the lid and it'll look like this. Because I don't like the stiff image here, I'll soften it, and I'll use this tool for that. I like this softer look better. I close it with a gentle touch and do the same for the other sizes. Now I'm folding it. I'll soften the tip again. Now it's ready. Now I can move on to the medium size. As the envelopes get smaller, I start preferring the smaller size. I like them more and more as they get mini. Now I can do the smallest one. The important thing here is to be careful not to slip your hand. If you want, you can also close these parts with melted candle wax. I've closed them with these for now. You can also use this mini envelope on your journal pages. Our envelopes in different sizes are ready. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to share the envelopes you make using this method with us. See you in the next video. Bye.